Hello everyone, my name is Shazia from Lead Falcon, and he's my client, Mr. Ollie. And he got the visa before, I think 2 weeks before. And thank you so much, Mr. This is your passport.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Ali, for your support, for giving me the opportunity to apply visa for Europe. So thank you so much also. Elite Falcon Management Consultancy. So you can apply. I got my passport, my visa.
So Mr. Ollie, how's your experience here in the Lead Falcon?
Well, it's very fast processing. If you have complete documents, so just 1 week, maximum 2 weeks for the processing. So for me, I applied like September 1. I got my visa September 29. So just September 25. So
It means within a 1 month only,
just
right?
yeah, within 1 month. So
It's a good one.
good.
So our process is like very fast, right?
Yeah,
In a month. So
Thank you so
do.
much. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, thank you so much. And I hope soon you will be there. And next, I think after 1 week, I will book your ticket and then you can go and start your work there.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Take care now. You're welcome.